Sean Ray here, downtown Tampa Bay Powerhouse Gym with Big Bill Wilmore, four-time Olympia competitor. Bill, we are on the eve of the Pro Bodybuilding Weekly Championships right here, a stone's throw away at the Convention Center, promoted by Tim Gardner. The Pro Bodybuilding Weekly Tampa Bay Championships coming back for its fourth year, where a year ago we saw Big Ben White, the showstopper, walk off with a $10,000 prize, and on the 202 division, we saw Jose Raymond walk away with the title, who just 1 week ago won the New York Pro Championships, defeating James Flex Lewis. We got some interesting characters coming into this competition, Bill. Last year we had Ben White, who didn't fare too well. Only 1 week ago in New York, he got blown out. He won't be coming. He may show up, but apparently he's not on record as coming to this competition. In the past, we've seen some very good competitors come out of here. What do you make of this year's lineup going into this competition? Because the one thing I do know is this contest sets the tone going into the Olympia. There'll be 3 qualifying spots available that Tim Gardner is providing going into this competition. You're a resident. You live only a couple of hours away. You came down for the muscle camp. Are you familiar with anybody competing in this year's lineup yet?
Actually, I know a couple guys, but that's about it.
Yeah, well, this is one. Tell me about competing in Tampa, Florida. I mean, it's fourth year. Is it picking up steam? I mean, the popularity of pro bodybuilding here in South Florida?
From what I hear, every year it just keeps getting better and better, and that's in a new show, that's what you want.
This year's lineup looks nothing short of amazing. We got Hidetada Yamagishi, who came off a 10th place at the Olympia. He's also won the Orlando Pro Championships, Japan's #1 bodybuilder, a top 10 physique in the world. What do you make of him? He took some time off and had that hernia surgery last year.
I mean, you have to put him as one of the front runners for sure. Just with his track record, you know, every show he pretty much comes in shape and condition, and he's always pretty much up in there in every show.
Well, let's talk about someone that's pretty much up in there. Marcus Haley, a local Floridian, got 2-time first runner-up at consecutive Orlando Pro Championships. What do you make of him?
Oh, I definitely think Marcus is going to bring it at this show. I know he was highly disappointed from his last show, kind of missing his peak a little bit, and probably costing him the show. So I'm sure he's going to be somebody that's going to be up in the mix too.
Yeah, and another guy that's got a great little physique, Lee Banks, the North American champions, coming in here, a heavyweight competitor. What does he need to do to get up in that top 3 spot?
Oh, well, I think he did exactly what he needed to do. Last show he was in the top 5, and actually a lot of people thought he was overlooked. And with that, every time that happens, usually people are going to look out for it.
Yeah, we got some other names in this too. We got the big Canadian, Big Mike Van Wyck. We got Andy Hammond, over 40 bodybuilder. Seems to, a lot of people think he's kind of like a clown and likes to have fun, but this is a serious bodybuilder with a very good physique.
Yes, for sure.
Andy Hammond, and then we got Mauritius Doney, Santana Anderson, and we're going to move over to the 202 division, which again I said was very competitive. We talked earlier about Al Augusti. What are his odds? He just won the USA Championships in the USA last year.
Oh, I'm sure. Every time that it's your pro debut, you want to bring it, and I'm sure he's excited about it. Yep. And he's got a great physique, and we'll just see what happens.
Yeah, and of course the other local Floridian is going to be Nathan Wansley. Also, we got a few other guys. Svetko Stomanowski coming over all the way from Argentina via Germany. We also have women's bodybuilding, and this is a big lineup because they don't have a lot of women's shows. New York canceled their pro division. We've got last year's champion returning to the contest. I know I'm going to butcher her name. We've got we got Debbie Bramwell, Brigitta Brezhikova. Can you say that?
I'll leave it to you.
No, she's a European champion. She won this contest last year. Catherine Lee Francois, no stranger to the pro stage, an Arnold Classic champion, 3-time New York pro. She's going to be competing in this competition. We've got Lisette Acevedo, a national champion, a middleweight national champion, coming to compete in this show. Ma Ann Mendoza, the veteran, over 50 years old, very good package there. We also have Pro Bikini coming to the town. So there's going to be a lot of stuff going on. We also have the Tim Gardner Extravaganza, which is the amateur division, and he's going to give out some special awards. So, like, I think it's called a Civilian Heroes Award with the police department, fire department, and guys like that. So it's all going down June 24th and 25th. Promoter Tim Gardner putting it down right at the Convention Center here in downtown Tampa Bay. For Big Bill Wilmore at Powerhouse Gym, I'm Sean Ray, MuscularDevelopment.com.